Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. We're so excited to have every single one of you here. Today we are here with another fun Tuesday tag. This is a When I Was a Child tag created by Roy over at Recipes with Roy. We were tagged by Roy over at Recipes with Roy. I will link all of his information down below, so please make sure you go ahead and check him out. After we answer these questions, we are going to tag a few friends of our own, so make sure you stay tuned. Steve's got the questions on his phone, so he is going to read them for us today.
Question number 1. What's one item you have now that you wish you had when you were younger?
You know?
My headphones.
Your headphones?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Maybe my car.
Yeah,
I have no idea.
I don't know. That's a weird one.
That's a good one.
Yep.
All right, question number 2.
What were your favorite and least favorite subjects in school?
My favorite was definitely band, and my least favorite was probably social studies.
Ariana?
My least favorite was math. That's easy. But my favorite was probably English.
English?
Yeah, because I got to do all the reading and writing.
All right, least favorite for me was algebra. Most favorite was art. All right, question number 3. What was your least favorite food as a kid? Is it still?
I didn't really have to eat a lot of stuff that I didn't like when I was a kid. I guess I would say Brussels sprouts. That was the one thing I was convinced I didn't like. But I love Brussels sprouts now.
I like all food. I'm not a picky eater.
She never really has been. She eats everything.
For me, it was green beans. And no, I like green beans now.
Yeah, you big baby. Thanks to who? Haha.
Nobody.
Okay, because you grew up all by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Question number 4. What is one of your most embarrassing childhood memories?
Oh my. There's so many. The favorite one, or the one that my kids like to tell about the most, is when I peed my pants on a roller coaster at Kings Island. My friend and I were sitting in the very back seat, and I probably peed the entire way. And then we got off, and I ran as fast as I could. So yeah, I'm still a little embarrassed.
Mine's probably peeing my pants as long as I did.
We did have to take changes of clothes to school for her for a long time.
I wouldn't use public bathrooms.
Is that what it was? Because your teachers always said it was because you didn't want to stop playing.
I don't like public bathrooms. I never have.
Gotcha. Steve?
All right, probably the most embarrassing one is I used to like to wear sweatpants to school a lot. And we had some real butthead kids in my school that liked to ankle people. For those of you who don't know what ankling is where they grab said pants and pull them down to your ankles. Well, this person happened to grab sweats and underwear and all. Down she went. Right as everybody was getting ready to go to their next class. So yeah, that would probably be one of my most embarrassing moments.
That would be mortifying, for sure.
All right. Question number 5. Who was your first celebrity crush?
Oh, Corey Feldman. Definitely Corey Feldman from License to Drive.
All right.
Yeah.
Ariana?
Nick Jonas.
Nick Jonas.
Yeah.
Okay. Mine was Alyssa Milano.
Yes, it was.
Yep.
No comment, but know that it's there.
Yeah, I know. Question number 6. Did you have a childhood nickname?
My babysitter called me Jenny Benny, but that was probably it. I mean, my real name is Jennifer, and everybody called me Jenny or Jen, and they still do, so kind of stuck.
A nickname at Girl Scout camp, though?
Oh, when I was in Girl Scout camp, my name was Munchkin. because I ate all the time.
There you go.
Here I am on a weight loss channel. I don't know.
Go figure.
My nickname's Nana.
Yep. Nana, and then your great-great-grandma used to call you, or your great-grandma used to call you Oriental.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oriental.
Mm-hmm.
Couldn't figure out how to pronounce your name, so she called you Oriental.
Yep.
Mine was Stoney, and not because I was into drugs. It's because there was, I don't know, an actor, Pauly Shore. He did a movie called Encino Man. So I acted like him, or impersonated him a lot from that movie, because that was like one of my favorite movies growing up, was Encino Man. So, so everybody called me Stoney Diesel. Yep. Question number 7. Which school clique would you most likely have fallen in with? Jocks, nerds, cheerleaders, mean girls, loners, etc.
I guess nerds and a band geek.
I was
I was quiet. I was quiet, believe it or not. I was a shy girl in high school.
I was band or color guard.
Band and color guard. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was a nerd.
It really was. Thank God he found me. Oh.
Uh-huh. Let's see. Question number 8.
Threw him for a loop.
Uh-huh. Did you have any childhood pets?
I did. I had all kinds of cats. And then several dogs. With the most recent childhood pet, I guess I don't know how else to phrase it, would have been my dog Thomas J. And he was a Black Lab German Shepherd mix. And I had him up until I moved out of the house after high school.
Maggie.
Yeah. We had a yellow lab named Maggie pretty much from the time Mariana was 6 until...
I was like 12 or 13.
Yeah, we had her for a long time.
Yep. I had a Beagle Coonhound mix. His name was Spike. I named him after Spike the Bulldog on Tom and Jerry. Yep.
Awesome.
Let's see. Question number 9. When you were little, what did you want to be when you grew up?
I wanted to be a babysitter or a teacher. Or a nurse, actually. So, yeah. Something to do with taking care of people, and I ended up going with nursing. So, yay!
I wanted to be a nurse or a doctor.
She pretty much is now. This girl has probably just as much medical knowledge, if not more than I do. Just a little bit, huh?
You spend enough time in the hospital, she'd give you an honorary doctorate at this point.
She probably could. Teach him a few things.
Yeah.
It's always interesting with me.
Mm-hmm.
When I was growing up, I wanted to be a sailor. Yep. So I joined the Navy.
There you go.
Yep. Question number 10. A movie is being made about you in your 20s. What is the theme song? 20s.
Mamma Mia, because when I was 20, I was pregnant with my second kid. Here we go again.
Mariana? Theme song.
She came in like a wrecking ball.
Yeah.
Hi, Evas.
All right.
Sit right here in the middle.
Don't look at Probably Sucker by the Jonas Brothers.
Sucker by the Jonas Brothers.
Yeah,
Switch
that was
over a
my
little bit
first
so
husband.
Dad can get in.
Hi, Dad.
All right.
That was when I was married to my first husband.
Sucker. How about you, Steve?
Come Sail Away. Because in my 20s, I was in the Navy sailing around. So
There you go.
Come Sail Away.
What would you say your theme song is for your life right now? Dora? Hola, soy Dora. Or Dora girl, huh? You're so funny. Next.
That is it. That was question 10.
Oh, alrighty. Well, that was a quick one. You okay? She fell down when she was roller skating, so we have to go nurse a wounded knee. So,
Yep.
I will let you guys go. I am going to tag Suzy Buie over at Suzy's Health Journey. I will link her channel down below. And then I am also going to tag Mary over at Mary Gets Fit. So please make sure you go by and hear their answers. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, we would really appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying our content. Guys, we are 2 subscribers away, once again, like we were last week, from 800 subscribers. We went down a little bit, and now we're back where we were. So, go figure. 2 more. We got that 800 subscriber giveaway coming up as soon as we reach that number. So if you haven't already, if you would consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner, we would love to have you. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.
I need to go around.
Say bye, Ava.
Bye.